You're gonna watch me make an Odin 3 days before Anime Expo. Okay, so what I did first was sketch the actual Odin right here. I know it looks funky, I don't got all the details, but that's fine. And then one thing I discovered was really cool was on ArtStation, we have this really cool 3D artist, thank you, Sergey. And right here, I can actually just look at the Odin model and just kind of drag it around and make sure I understand all the proportions of the gun. What I'm going to do first is cut an Ito-En green tea box, which will be one of the base parts of the Odin. I recommend using an X-Acto knife because I'm having trouble here. Okay, it is the next day. There's a lot of time that I didn't film. So EVA foam by itself is like pretty flimsy, like it doesn't really have that much structure. So what I did, I took the box that I was cutting yesterday and then I just hot glued like a bunch of other boxes here. Yeah, I was drinking this yesterday and I was like, oh, you know, I can just paste it here. It works. What I'll be doing first is pasting some EVA foam to the actual structure. What I used was hot glue, and you know, you can burn yourself a bunch of times, but it's fine because we're making a cool weapon. And throughout this process, I'd usually just cut the EVA foam, the excess off, so I can get the actual shape of the gun. Yes, just continue on cutting the EVA foam. This will take a long time in the process, but it's worth it. So for this part, I'll be making the handle of the Odin. I took a wire hanger and cut the wire and shoved it inside this handle of EVA foam. And for this part, I'd use super glue to stick it on because hot glue might make it fall off. For the bottom part of the gun, I used 2 Ito-En green tea bottles that I painted black and just hot glued them there.